Okay guys, it's me Imad. Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to simulate a half wave rectifier within the simulide platform. So for it, first of all we will take first a sine wave generator. And for it we need our wave generator. So this our wave generator, it will produce a sine wave of certain frequency for us. So in order to convert that sine wave into a rectified wave or into a DC signal, we will use a diode. So we will drag it out like this, and we can connect the anode terminal of the diode with the what's called as the function generator. And now this has been connected. Now we need a resistor. We will take a resistor of any value like 100 ohm or 200 or like this. Okay, so and we will connect that resistor to the cathode terminal of the diode. We need to take ground, and then we will connect that ground to the other end of the resistor. In order to observe the output waveform, we need an oscilloscope. So this is our oscilloscope. And we will connect our first channel of the oscilloscope with the resistor. Okay, so that whatsoever the signal will form on the resistor, we can observe it on the oscilloscope. First, the sine signal will come on the diode, and diode will rectify it out. It will chop its negative cycle completely, okay, and then it will give us a rectified output. We also need to connect the second channel of the oscilloscope with the function generator. So that we can see the sine wave and the output rectified wave. So now we will see what is the amplitude, what is the value of the frequency. So we will go and we will write one frequency 50 Hertz, okay? Or if we can make it more, still it's good, no need to worry about. Okay, so now we will start our simulation. Now frequency is less, so we cannot observe it on the oscilloscope, so we need to raise the frequency. So here we will write 500 Hertz, and hopefully it will work for us. Now you can see that we have two waveforms. Okay, wait, let me go, and we will expand it out. Now I will go and I will change its position like this. And channel 1 position. Okay, so wait, let me change its position. Now you can see that upper one wave is actually the rectified one. It is the rectified output. We can reduce it out like this, and here you can see it properly that we have a rectified pulse on the output. And how we got that? With the help of our diode, simple diode. So now this is our output. The rectification is usually called as the conversion of AC signal to the DC signal, and it is right because we got a non-purified rectified DC output on the resistor. So in this way we have converted, or we have simulated our half wave rectification process within the simulide platform. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.